Good morning, students. Kailash Chandra Panda welcomes you to his English environment. In our last episode, we discussed the adverb clause. Today, we shall go through the conditional clauses or adverb clause of condition. So let's start the topic. Now look the following sentences. If you boil water, it turns into steam. If you work hard, you will pass the exam. If I knew her address, I would tell you. If you had told him, he would have helped you. Now we have to divide each of the sentences into two parts. Part 1, the if part of the sentence. The clause begins with if, and the second part, it is the main part, the clause that comes after the command. Now part 1, if we boil water, if you work hard, if I knew his address, if you had told him. The second part, it turns into steam, you will pass the exam, I would tell you, he would have helped you. The clause in part 1 begins with if. So it is called if clause or the conditional clause. The other part is called the main clause. We can make a conditional clause by adding if or unless or provided at the beginning of a declarative sentence or an imperative sentence. For example, he works hard. It is a declarative sentence. If you add before the sentence, if he works hard, it is a conditional sentence. Just like, go to school, it is an imperative sentence. If we add if in the sentence at the beginning, it will be if you go to school, it is a conditional clause. Now let's see different types of conditions and conditional clause. First, the real condition or type 0 condition. If we fulfill the condition, the result will be same at any time or at anywhere. For this condition, we have to write the conditional clause in do or does form or present simple. The main clause will also be written in do or does form or present simple form. We can write it like this: do does and do does form. For example, if you heat butter, it melts. If you throw a stone into water, it sinks. Plants grow quickly if we manure them. On the other hand, students, when we talk about a general occurrence in the past, we use simple past in both the conditional clause and the main clause. We can write it as did and did form. For example, if I made a promise, I kept it. If it rained, I did not go to school. Now the second condition, which is regarded as open condition or type 1 condition. Here for one condition we can get varieties of results, and to get one result we can make varieties of conditions. Here the condition is open, the result is also open. To explain the condition, we write the conditional sentence in present simple or do does form and the main clause in shall or will form. We can remember it by do, does and will form. For example, if it rains, we will get wet. If he comes, I will speak to him. If you open the book, you will find the answer. Sometimes, in case of will, we can also write may, can, must or should. If the road becomes jammed, the buses may be diverted. If it stops raining, we can go out. If you want to get 90% marks, you should work hard. In a conditional sentence, we can also use present progressive and present perfect. For example, if you are looking for Santosh, you will find him in the library. If you have finished your task, you will be allowed to go. Remember here, students, if the conditional clause indicate polite request, willingness, refusal, agreement or cooperation, we can use will shall form in the conditional clause as well as the main clause. Take the example of polite request first. If you will just wait a moment, I will fetch you the umbrella. Now take the example of willingness. I will do cleaning if you will take care of the children. Now take the example of refusal. If you won't do the job, I will have to do it myself. Now take the example of agreement. If you will wait a few minutes, the doctor will see you. Now the cooperation. If you will help me, we would finish the work by evening. Now let's see the third condition, or that is type 2 condition, which is called hypothetical condition. These are the imaginary conditions, students. They are called the dreaming conditions, where the condition cannot be fulfilled, the result cannot be achieved. Here the conditional clause will be in past simple or did form, and the main clause will be in would form. For example, if it rained tomorrow, I would stay at home. If I had a lot of money, I would buy a large building. If I were a tiger, I would wander in the forests. Now come to the last condition, which is called the unfulfilled condition. This is the type 3 condition. This is a type of condition which was possible to be fulfilled, but it was not fulfilled and the result was not achieved. Here the conditional clause will be in had plus B3 form and the main clause will be would have plus B3 form. For example, if I had known your address, I would have written to you. If you had worked hard in your boyhood, you would have been in a good service. If the dog had been tired, it would not have bitten the boy. So students, in this way we completed the conditional clause. Next time I will come to you with a new topic. It will be better if you suggest me the topic that you need. See you soon. Stay blessed.